If HandBrake is giving you a subtitle error, the fastest way to fix it is to check the log and identify exactly which subtitle message is failing. In this video, I'll show you how to find the problem, understand what the error means, and use the right fix so you can finish your encode without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open HandBrake and look at the top right corner. You'll see the activity log icon. Click that to open the full log for your current job. This log is the key to solving subtitle issues because HandBrake usually tells you what went wrong if you know where to look. Once the log is open, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard and search for sub. That will jump you straight to the subtitle related entries. Now let's look at the most common messages. If you see SSA, Shaper, error, that usually means a specific font is missing from your Windows system. In this case, the subtitle may rely on a font that HandBrake cannot find, which can cause the subtitle burn-in process to fail. The fix here is to avoid using burn-in for that subtitle track. Instead, try leaving the subtitles as soft subtitles, or install the missing font if you know exactly which one is required. If the log shows MKV adding subtitle track, and that is the last line before a crash, then the problem is usually not the subtitle itself. In many cases, your output drive is full, almost full, or too slow to handle the encode properly. That means HandBrake starts writing the file, gets to the subtitle track step, and then fails because the destination cannot keep up. The solution is to check your available storage space, switch to a faster drive, or save the file to a different location with more room. If you see dvdsub read error, then the issue is usually with the source disk. This often means the disk is scratched, damaged, or encrypted in a way HandBrake is struggling to read. In that situation, you can go into HandBrake's advanced preferences and enable the libdvdread toggle. This can help HandBrake read certain DVD subtitle tracks more reliably. If the disk is physically damaged, try another copy of the source if possible. The important thing is to match the error message with the right fix, instead of guessing and re-encoding over and over again. So the process is simple. Open the log, search for sub, identify the exact subtitle error, and then apply the correct solution based on what HandBrake is telling you. That one habit can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially when dealing with tricky subtitle files or problematic disks. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, and if this video helped solve your HandBrake subtitle issue, hit the like button so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.